This is a review of the Netvue security camera that I would definitely recommend. So this Netvue security camera, you can see that the installation is very easy. It's really a plug and play, and the wire we pretty much got it to here, to right over there, to the solar panel that's attached to it all the way up there. So you can see how I rerouted the wires, and it's very a clean install right from there. And the install was, like I mentioned, it's very easy. It's not anything hard or difficult. Anybody could do this. You could pretty much, all you have to do is drill holes right there, which I'll show you clearly. So pretty much on the bracket, there's two screws that you attach on the back of it, which is right over here, and you just have to drill those holes, and from there it should be good to go. Same thing goes with the solar panel. So pretty much I rerouted the wire from there all the way to there. Then we go from right there, which I'll show you guys for the solar panel. So I rerouted the wires from there with the push pins from there till we get to the solar panel right from there, and right from there, from the sky, all the sun, it uses that to pretty much the Netvue solar panel. It works like that, and that's how you do it. And I put the two fins right there so the connectivity stays for the Wi-Fi signals. And right from there, now I'm going to show you guys how good the quality is. It's 1080p for pretty much the camera quality, and it has 128 gigabytes of storage, so it really is sufficient amount of storage to pretty much save your recordings. And you can also put an SD card in as well too, to pretty much record all the 24/7 alerts and everything like that. It has a flash mode. It has pretty much a ringer alerts. It gives you that too. It also has a security alert if someone comes by your home or something like that. It tells you, and also it has a light system. It pretty much moves around 360 degrees, which I'll show you guys in a minute, and we're gonna see how well it goes on the camera in the camera app.
So right from here, you download the Netvue app, and right from there, you can see the quality is really amazing, 1080p quality. And right here, you have options. So pretty much you have a light system, which it does a light. So when I click on this, you can see that
The quality, it has a light right there, so it alerts you if someone, and you can see as I'm talking, it gives good signals, and the light system works like that.
So right from here, then when we close that off, we got sound quality. So you could adjust the sound, a screenshot, you could record. It does all different types of effects, and pretty much also has a siren as well too. So I believe that if you click this button right over here, when you go to talk, then you also have a siren mode, which I'll show you guys. It does a cool, like a police effects siren. So right from here, when I click on the sound effect, then we go on here and go to talk, and right here, then we have siren mode. So when I click the sound effect,
You can see that it does alerts as well too.
right from here, so you see there's the siren effect, so it shows the light effect.
Like I showed you guys, it does that as well too.
So light as well too. So now from here, when we close that off, then we go to screenshot, you can record, turn on a microphone so you could talk through the camera, which is pretty amazing. It's really cool. So hello, 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 testing, 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 testing. How are you? So you could talk to the camera, and that's really a cool feature it has. So yeah, from there also 360 degrees. So as I'm moving it, so pretty much, which I'll show you guys. So I'm moving it right and then left. So as I move it right and I move it left, it should
Pretty much turn, which is right over here. You can see that it turns. As I'm moving it, it does 360 degrees, so it's really amazing. So then we're gonna move it back to the right side. We'll keep moving it. So 360 degrees rotation, and that is really amazing. I would highly recommend this camera because 1080p quality, 360 degrees rotation, and connectivity is very good, strong Wi-Fi. The solar panel makes the installation very easy as well too. It wasn't too hard to install it, and I would highly recommend it. It's the light feature, sound feature. You could talk through the camera, turn the mic on. It has a siren effect, a police siren effect, and it's really amazing. Have different control options, and I would highly recommend this. This is probably one of the best cameras that I ever had, and I would definitely recommend the Netvue security camera for all of your everyday home security cameras.